There are a number of popular digital reverbs, but most are not recreations of legendary hardware. The 2016 Stereo Room Reverb plugin is based off the original SP 2016 Stereo Room ROM. Delay lengths, reflections, and other properties of the virtual room were carefully considered in the modeling. It's capable of both lush and subtle sounds and easy on your CPU. Let's hear it on a few different instruments. Check out our other video in this series. It's an overview of all the controls of the 2016 Stereo Room plugin and how to use them in your mix.